How to fix ms-teams.exe wlanapi.dll was not found error in Windows Server. Hello friends, Microsoft Teams might be failing to start on the remote device running Windows Server. The error message is like ms-teams.exe system error. The code execution cannot continue because wlanapi.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may resolve the issue. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is install networking Windows feature. Right click on Start, select Terminal Admin, click on Yes. Go to the video description. You will find two PowerShell commands here to install the wireless networking feature. Copy the first line, paste into the PowerShell window and press enter. After running this command, run this command, copy from the description, paste into the PowerShell and press enter. Close the running tasks and restart your computer. Then see if the error is fixed. If the error still persists, then uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Teams in the list, this one. Click on three dots, select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Also uninstall Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. Click on three dots, uninstall, uninstall. Close the settings app, restart your computer, then launch a browser. Type Microsoft Teams. Press enter. Click on download. Click on download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Click on the ms-teams setup.exe file. Microsoft Teams is installed. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.